3. Today is our second lecture and it's about Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating systems. When you switch on a computer, the Windows operating system gets loaded into a computer memory like this way. Then desktop and icons. Desktop. Shortly after the window is loaded, you will see a screen on the monitor with small pictures on it. This is the screen that you see on the monitor. This screen is called the desktop. This whole screen is called the desktop, and the small pictures are called icons. These are small icons. You can see in this image, these are called icons. Then files and folder. Files. Any information stored in the computer is in the form of a file. A file can contain data or programs. Each file is represented by a different icon. Each file can also be given a name that is useful and unique. Then folder. A folder is used to store a group of files. A folder can also contain other folders in it. You can store multiple folders inside a folder. These are files that you can see on the desktop, the small icons that you see here, and these are folders. Then we have taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. This bar. This is known as taskbar. It contains buttons with icons which tell us what programs are open on the computer. These are small buttons that appears here. Now you can see here. This is a desktop screen that you see here, and you can see there are a lot of files stored on my desktop, and these are the buttons that are open right now. So this was all about Microsoft Windows. Thank you.